Now gurus and new, she slaying the city. No makeup, just wake up and still giving them pretty. Hit the lights, camera, action, cause it's big as a movie. And grab a seat and now tune with disastrous beauty.
And then you will go away. I'm not gonna be begging you to stay. Said maybe if you asked me yesterday, I would handle this shit differently. Things are different, I'm a new me. That's not gonna happen. That's not gonna happen. That's not gonna happen. So even if you're asking, even if you're asking, 'cause I do what I do, and it's time for something new, yeah. Gotta know when to let go. Gotta know when to let go. Gotta know when to let go. Sometimes giving up can make it grow. Can make it grow. Can make it grow. Ooh. Don't wanna be stuck in a spot, telling you it ain't what I thought. Don't wanna be stuck in a spot, 'cause I don't really like what I got, so I changed it bit by bit. It's not ungrateful, just being helpful for me and you. 'Cause we gotta go our own way, gotta go our own way, yeah. This was not a good stay, gotta go our own way. 'Cause I do what I do, and it's time for something new, yeah. Gotta know when to let go. Gotta know when to let go. Gotta know when to let go. Sometimes giving up can make it grow. Can make it grow. Can make it grow. I don't appreciate the chase. Now there's nothing here for me, yeah. I gotta go, I'll fly away to a new space. You know, I don't appreciate the chase. Now there's nothing here for me, yeah. I gotta go, I'll fly away to a new space. 'Cause gotta know when to let go. Gotta know when to let go. Gotta know when to let go. Sometimes giving up can make it grow. Can make it grow. Can make it grow. Sometimes. Gotta know when to let go. Gotta know.
Okay, y'all, so I'm obviously finished styling this wig, and this is what I got. If you're interested in the details and specs and other good stuff about this unit, then please continue to watch. Okay, y'all, so the unit that I am rocking was sent to me by Unice Hair. Shout out to you, Unice, for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. I truly do appreciate it. I also want to give a shout out to them for their patience, honey. Like, y'all are the real MVP. I got behind for a minute, and it's just like been me steadily trying to get back on track because we had a Wi-Fi shortage here. Okay, so yeah, shout out to you, Unice. Okay, so the unit that they sent me is their Unice Affordable Jerry Curly Lace Closure Wig. I do have this unit. It is a 4x4 closure, and I have it in 24 inches. That's the length that they said that they sent me. But I'm guessing it's more so 24 inches curled up. What you guys think? Y'all let me know. Let me go and see product details. So it says natural black wig. Material is 100% human hair. The texture is curly. As I stated, it is Jerry Curly. And it is a 4x4 lace closure. And it says it can be dyed. It comes in an average cap size. It says Swiss lace in medium brown color. Yeah, I don't know. And yeah, that's pretty much it for the details and stuff with this particular unit. I'm gonna see what lengths they have it available in. Okay, the density, I also want to mention that the density that this unit is in is 150% density, and the length is 14 to 24 inches, and as I stated, they sent me 24 inches. So those are all the details and specs with with this unit. Now, as far as this unit being big head friendly, honestly, I feel like this particular unit is more small to medium head friendly. So if you do have a smaller head, I do feel like this unit would work for you. Now, if your head is more so on the larger side, honey, I don't know. But I only got the head that's on my shoulders. So with this unit, I did not have to adjust the straps whatsoever. And when I don't have to adjust the straps and it still fits kind of snug, then I deem it to be more small to medium head friendly. So do with that what you want to do with that, sis. Now, as far as shedding and tangling, I did brush this unit out and then apply water and product. Brushing it out, it did tangle a little bit. It did shed a little bit, but it was nothing to write home about. I kind of expected it because it is a Jerry curly unit. So I expected some, and it was minimum, but I like to throw it out there, honey. Okay, it's not a problem for me, but I like to throw it out there. So you can't say I didn't tell you, because I told you, girl, okay? I told you. And yeah, that is pretty much it as far as the details and specs go with this wig. I do also want to throw it out there that in my opinion, this unit did not come very pre-tweezed. I did tweeze this unit, and I used these tweezers that I got from another company, y'all. And these tweezers are life, okay? They're life. You can get a good pair of tweezers, and I think it makes the tweezing process so much easier, because you know your girl don't like to tweeze. She don't like to do it. So it makes the process so much easier. And then I also decided to just kind of do some little twists and pin a little bit of the hair up in the top. I didn't necessarily want a ponytail, but I did just want a little up there. I don't know. I just did a little sun. But it's interesting how you can style a closure, honey. Okay, you can't tell your girl nothing. All right, nothing. I got water everywhere. So yeah, that is pretty much it as far as the details and specs go. If you're interested in my pros and cons as well as a full 360, then please continue to watch. Okay, so you guys know I like to start with the cons because I like to end on a high note. My con with this unit is that it did not come pre-tweezed. Okay, I did bleach the unit as well, and I'm pretty sure I'm going to show that somewhere in here as well. But the bleaching is not as big of a deal to me as the tweezing, because your girl don't like tweeze, she don't like to do it. So that would be my one and only con with this wig. Now my pros would be, I love the unit. I feel like this texture is gorgeous. I love a good curly unit, honey. She just does. And I love the fullness of it, even though they say it's 150% density. It's a lot of hair, honey. You guys know what I like to say when it's a lot of hair, honey. It's thicker than my baby cousin Ashley. Okay, and honey, that's thick. Okay, so I really love that those things about this particular unit. And I love a closure girl. She loves a closure because she lazy. She lazy. I'll take a closure over anything any day. Okay, so yeah, those are my pros with this wig. Yes, I would recommend this unit. I want to say it's beginner friendly, but because I did have to tweeze it, I don't think that part makes it as beginner friendly. But the fact that it's still a closure makes it beginner friendly. You know what I mean? Because, you know, some people don't really care about tweezing. The hairline was pretty dense in my opinion, but I think you could still get away with not tweezing it. But I still would recommend this wig because the hair is just gorgeous, honey. Okay? It just is. Alright, honey, so let's do this full 360 so we can wrap this thing all the way up. So this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. Keep in mind I am 5'4". And this is it on the right side. So yeah, boo, let me know down below what you guys think about this unit. Let me know if you are feeling it as much as I am. I am interested in hearing your thoughts and opinions. Once again, shout out to Unice for sending me the unit and sponsoring this video. If you guys are interested in purchasing this unit, I will have a direct link to it down below in the description box for your convenience. And yeah, girl, that's all.
That's all.
So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed, girl, click the subscribe button. It's not cost you not one red cent. And if you're not already following me on all my social media platforms, I am DizastrousBeauty on both IG and TikTok. I'm HealthToMissC on Snapchat, and I'm DizastrousB on Twitter. And I will see you love bugs next time. Bye.